because these are the things I do to get money. So take your time, watch every second of this video to the end. I will reveal everything to you as I promise you. So welcome to Early Makes Money Online. Yes, I make money online. I've been doing that since 2017. So before we get into how you can make money online, which is the premise of this channel, which is something that I have been doing and I want to teach you, I want to first reveal this app, this investment app to you. It's not an ad. It's something that most rich people use to keep their monies and continue to be rich. Even you that have small money, you can also use it and make money from it. So let's say, for instance, you want to buy a phone, but the money you want to use to buy the phone, the money is there. And instead of using that money to buy the phone, this app that we use will rather help you to use the profit you make from that money to buy the phone that you want, and then you will still have your money at hand. That's the app I'm going to show you. It's legit, it's 100%. You can verify. I've been using it. And it's not something, YouTube of course will not allow me to be reveal something that is not legit. So definitely, if it's not legit, you see that this video will not even last up to 30 minutes on YouTube platform. So take your time, watch this video from every minute to the end. This is very profitable and this is very helpful as well. So I am not going to, like I promised you from my intro video, I am not going to script any of these videos because these are the things I do to get money. So take your time, watch every second of this video to the end. I will reveal everything to you as I promise you. Do not miss out. So we will get into the app. I will show you how you can sign up, where you will download it, and then I will walk you through all the features or most of the features, the basic one that you want, and then you will get everything because it's my explanation and how I'm going to take you through is not going to be difficult. I make it possible for everybody to understand. So in this same video, I am actually going to teach you how you can buy the Kasapreko IPO, the one that is trending now. It's very lucrative, it's very profitable, I will say, because Kasapreko is a big company and everybody is willing to buy their shares because, of course, alcohol is something that people consume a lot. And if you buy a share of this company, trust me, you will not lose. Yes, I believe you will not lose. So I will teach you all that in this video. Take your time and learn everything. First, when you discover the app that you use to buy it, and then I'll show you how you can buy it using the app as well. So take your time. Everything will be explained. Watch every minute of the video, and then you will get everything as well. You that don't know anything about it, don't worry. Beginners, people who don't know anything about this thing, this is why I am here. That is what I am good at. I am going to explain to even the one who doesn't know anything about it at all to understand and also use it for their benefit. I am here for you. If you don't understand anything, like I said, you can contact me personally. I will leave my number in the description, or I'll always leave my number in my bio anywhere that you can contact me personally, and I will help you well, I wanted to say for free, but it won't be for free. Sorry, it won't be for free, but I believe the way I will explain in the video, you will understand. So don't worry, you have me. Let's get into it. I will explain everything that you need to know with this app. So the app I want to show you that you can use for your investment purposes to grow your money and also to buy the Kasapreko IPO that I promised you, that which will be also in this same video. So that's why I say take your time to watch all the video to understand everything. The app name is the Black Stars app. So how do you sign up? What do you need to sign up, or what do you need to qualify? You must be 18 years and above, and then you must have a national ID. In Ghana, it is Ghana card. So I don't know of any other country's own. You need all that. You need your GPS, your house address. Like, make sure you use your legal name and your legal address and everything. Everything should be legal because the app is legal. Everything is legal, and you must make sure you use all those. But those are the things you need to sign up. Your legal name, your Ghana card. For instance, you're in Ghana. So if you're in any other country, you can use your national ID. You understand? And then your GPS, your house address. Those things are very important if you want to buy or if before you sign up. Those things are very important for the sign up process. Yeah. So you can get it on the Play Store or Apple Store. So if you are, I'm using the Play Store here for people who are using Android. I don't know, but if you are using iPhone too, you will get it. So let's say you want to just go here, type Black Star. You can see Black Star app shows there. So you see the ad. So this is the app. Check the logo very well. The legit app is this one, Black Star app. Because I have it already, I'll just open. So when I open, I come into the interface of the app. So this is how the interface is like. So when you come here, if you want to invest your money and get money, I'm going to teach you this one first before we go into how you can buy the IPO. So pay attention to this particular video very well. So you can you can see all options here. I will explain the one that you can do to invest. So you can go to invest. Yeah, so these are the options to invest. So you can see 78-day treasury bill or T-bill, as you can see there. So the percentages you will get per all of them. So for your money to work for you, like for your money to make profit for you using this app, you can invest it in any of these treasury bills. So let's say, for instance, this one is 57 days, or this one is 78 days, and you will get 3.38% of the money you invest in it, or you use to buy the treasury bill. So let's say, for instance, you buy the treasury bill and the 78-day come, you get 3.38% of the money that you have invested. You understand? You have not worked, but you get a percentage of that, and that is profit for you. And your initial, don't forget, your initial income or your deposit or that money that you used to buy it is still there. So this one is a fixed something and is risk-free. For this one is risk-free. I think they even have 8-day treasury bill. As you can see here, 8-day one is here. So as for that one, it means you will get 3.10% of the money you will invest. So if, let's say, you invest 10,000, you will get 3% or 3.10% of that in 8 days. That is profit for you. And you can use that money to do something and still keep your initial money, you understand, or your initial amount that will still be there for you. So they have, depending on how long you want it, you can choose any of them and use. So that is just for the investment opportunity. So you can see that it's a good thing to do. So if you go to the market, we have something here fixed. So these ones are international ones. I wouldn't want you to buy, but you can buy, but they also fixed. You will get the same percentage of this one is US companies that you can buy. So they are also treasury bills. So if you buy them, the percentages you will get are all here in the days or the duration that they put there. So it's a very lucrative app. You can use it to invest money. People who want to invest a lot of different things are in the app. I'm not going to reveal all of them in this video because the video will be too long. But I'll try and talk about most of the, like I have already talked about the basic ones that I want to teach you. That these are the simple ones that you can use to get the money or to get profit without working for it. So let's now go to the buying of the IPO, the Kasapreko IPO that I promised you that I will teach you how you can buy it with this app. Simple. So if you want to buy the IPO, just scroll to the left like this. As you can see, you see IPOs here. Once you click, you see that it pop up there. So when you click on the bid, they will tell you how much you want to buy. So remember, the market share for the Kasapreko IPO is 1 cedi 20 pesos per share. So when you go there, you decide how much you want to buy. You understand? So how do you make profit when you buy? So let me give an example. If you buy the Kasapreko Company Limited IPO shares at 1 cedi 20 pesos, and the price, let's say for instance, the price rises to 3 cedis, your profit per share is 1 cedi 80 pesos. So if you want to calculate your profit is going to be once the 3 cedis minus the 1 cedi 20 pesos you buy. That is why you get 1 cedi 80 pesos. So profit per share is 1 cedi 80 pesos on that 3 cedis. That is, for instance, if the price rises to 3 cedis. So your percentage gain is going to be 150%. You understand? 150%. For example, if you buy 100 shares, your profit is going to be 180 cedis. You know, so if you buy 1,000 shares, your profit is going to be 1,800 cedis in this case. You know, this is an example I'm giving because the price can actually rise to more than that. Let's say, for instance, MTN brought their own, I think, less than 1 cedi in 2020, but now their market price is above 6 cedis. It means people who buy it at that less than 1 cedi at that time, if they want to take or if they want to calculate their profit today, they will make more than 5 cedis on it. You understand? So in case for the Kasapreko IPO right now, if you buy, let's say 12,000 at IPO, your share that you bought it will be 10,000 shares. And then let's say the value will be, let's say for instance, the value rises to 3 cedis. You are going to be making, your shares are going to be up to 30,000. You know, so your profit is going to be 18,000 profit. You understand? So let's say for instance you buy 12,000 and your profit is now 18,000. You understand? So that is how it works. So that's how you make profit. It's a very lucrative something. Kasapreko is a good company. That company cannot collapse. The reason why I'm saying that the only risk involved is that if the company collapses, you will lose your money. But in this case, Kasapreko, the reason people are buying it is that company has been there since, and I don't think Kasapreko will collapse at all. No, that company cannot collapse. That's why people are buying. That's why all of us, we are buying the IPO. Thank you.